Hi, kiddos. Welcome to the latest installment of the beach version of the Mr. Duncan Show. This is the example of a header that I'm going to post on your Google Classroom. I just want to explain it real quick. You're going to use a long date, so spell out the month, 10, comma, the full year, 2020, right? You're in period 1 in Computer Basics class. You'll put your name here at the top, right? And then my name here. Okay, and then be sure you put it in the header, and there's a couple ways to do that. First of all, you can just here, let me get rid of this real quick. Okay, maybe not so quick. There we go. All right, stop. Hi, kiddos. Welcome to the latest installment of the Mr. Duncan Show live from the beach. This is an example of a header, and I'll include this document as your materials in your Google Doc. Make sure that you put a header on everything I'm assigning you for the next 4 weeks. So here's some notes about headers, okay, because I know different teachers tell you to do different things, but there's a couple ways to add a header, and you can either insert a header, right? And what you'll see is this right here. Notice you get this line and then this space up above. Now here's a little trick, because Google, if we were printing these, Google tends to sometimes spaz out. So always press enter one time before you enter your header. Okay, so that's one way. You can go to insert, header and footer, header, right? And then remember to press enter. Okay, so the other way is you can just come up here, double click, same thing, press enter, and then enter your header information, right? Okay, so let me get rid of this extra space. So you're going to have your name, my name, you're in period 1, Computer Basics period 1, and then you want to use the long form of a date, which all that means is you just spell out the month, you put the day, a comma, and the full year 2020. Okay, and that's in the notes right here. Okay, all right, so that's it for this episode. Be safe out there. I love you. Namaste. We'll see you next time.